3, 2, 1.
What is a kitchen tool used for mixing ingredients called? The answer is B. Whisk. Who created the world's tallest sandcastle? The answer is B. Jimmy White. What does the Sahara Desert border on 3 sides? The answer is A. Atlantic Ocean. What kind of compounds are named for their positive metal ion first, followed by their negative nonmetal ion? The answer is B. Ionic compounds. What does the word elision mean? The answer is D. Happy, blissful, relating to paradise. What is Pluto classified as now? The answer is C. Dwarf planet. Which of these is the most widespread surname in the world by number of people bearing it? The answer is C. Lai. From what country does Advocaat originate? The answer is A. The Netherlands. What consequence of a tornado is responsible for most injuries and deaths? The answer is A. Flying debris. What does URL stand for in a web address? The answer is A. Uniform Resource Locator. What is used for chopping vegetables? The answer is A. Knife scissor. Segway HT, a 2-wheeled light-mode transportation device invented by Dean Kamen and presented in December 2001, is the world's first vehicle of what type? The answer is A. Self-balancing transportation device. Which mass murderer was the inspiration for the movie character Norman Bates in Psycho and for Buffalo Bill in Silence of the Lambs? The answer is D. Ed Jane. Which philosopher wrote Cogito ergo sum? The answer is C. Descartes. What is the currency unit in Russia? The answer is A. Ruble. What can travel around the world in 8 minutes? The answer is D. Answer light. Which saint is known as the patron of children? The answer is C. Nicholas. What is the quantum mechanical phenomenon where particles can be found in multiple places at the same time? The answer is C. Superposition. What kind of waves consist of vibrating electric and magnetic fields? The answer is A. Electromagnetic waves. Who was the founder of the People's Republic of China? The answer is A. Mao Zedong. In Chapter 24 of Book 5, what breaks Snape's attempt to use Legilimency on Harry Potter? The answer is B. The vision of Cedric's dead body. Which economic indicator measures the average number of hours that people are willing and able to work? The answer is D. Unemployment rate. Who is the longest-serving president in U.S. history? The answer is B. Franklin D. Roosevelt. What globular protein is used in the construction of the hollow tube? The answer is A. Tubulin. In the episode of Futurama, titled 300 Big Boys, what does Dwight want to do with the penny that's left over from Hermes' tax rebate? The answer is B. Buy 5 shares of Amazon.com. Which word refers to the appearance of wounds in places that correspond to the crucifixion wounds of Christ? The answer is D. Stigmata. In what U.S. government body does the Vice President serve as the presiding officer, or president? The answer is C. The Senate. A student sees a bird at a feeder. The student identifies the bird as a sparrow. Which organ system did the student use to identify the bird? The answer is C. Nervous. Nancy Drew often used aliases when solving mysteries. Which of the following is not an alias that was used by Nancy? The answer is D. Anna Martin. How do coal and the sun compare as sources of energy? The answer is C. Coal is non-renewable and the sun is renewable. What does a healthy immune system fight off? The answer is D. Infections and other diseases. Which game introduced Fortnite Battle Royale? The answer is B. Fortnite. Save the World B. What is the national bird of Honduras? The answer is D. Scarlet macaw. What's full of holes but holds no water? The answer is A. Swiss cheese. What is the major source of warmth for Earth? The answer is A. The sun. What speaks with 1,000 voices and predicts your day? The answer is A. Weatherman. What is a compass used to draw? The answer is A. Circles. How do amphibians reproduce? The answer is C. Sexually. What important and unusual physical property for birds do ostriches and penguins share? The answer is C. Flightlessness. What year was the first internet message sent? The answer is C. 1980. What famous pirate was arrested and conducted to the Kingdom of England in 1672 because he violated a peace treaty between England and Spain? The answer is C. Henry Morgan. What novel on Time magazine's best novels list follows Holden Caulfield, a character that has come to be associated with teenage angst and rebellion? The answer is D. The Catcher in the Rye. What plant has leaves that are often used in teas? The answer is D. Camellia. Chemical reactions are typically written to imply that they proceed in one direction. If they can occur in either direction, they are considered what? The answer is B. Reversible. As temperature increases, the solubility of the majority of solid substances does what? The answer is B. Increases. Edmund Duke leads which group of elite fighters? The answer is B. Alpha Squadron. Sourness is a taste that is a proof of which of the following properties of substances? The answer is B. Acidity. What animal lays the largest egg in the world? The answer is A. Ostrich. What is the capital of the art world?
The answer is C. New York.
Asthma, pneumonia, and emphysema are diseases of what system?